If you're seeing the itch.io Json Rpc error 12,000, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, and using itch.io normally. This error is usually caused by a connection issue, a browser problem, or something blocking the site from loading correctly. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one that works, especially if the page failed to load properly on the first attempt. Give it a moment, then reload itch.io and see if the error disappears. If it still shows up, the next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the site's requests and trigger this Json Rpc error, so make sure you're actually connected and that your network is working properly. If your connection looks fine, turn off your VPN. VPNs are very commonly responsible for this kind of issue because they can interfere with region checks, site requests, or security filters. After disabling the VPN, refresh itch.io again and see if the page loads correctly. If you still get the error, move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause websites like itch.io to behave strangely. Clearing the cache and cookies gives the browser a clean start and often fixes loading and login-related errors. If the problem continues, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not with itch.io itself, but with a specific browser extension, a bad browser session, or a compatibility problem in your current browser. Open another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Opera, then visit itch.io again and check whether the error still appears. If it works in another browser, that tells you the issue is likely local to your original browser rather than the website. At this point, if you've tried all 4 steps, you've covered the most common causes of itch.io Json Rpc error 12,000. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve it quickly without needing anything advanced. The key is to go in order. Refresh first, check your internet, disable VPN, clear cache and cookies, and then test another browser. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more advanced fixes for itch.io errors, login problems, and download issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.